is the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11:30 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location.
The official forecast mid-80s and thunderstorms. It's around 80.